Monumento a la Raza, Seville. The Monumento a la Raza is an outdoor marble monument in the city of Seville, Andalusia, Spain. It is installed along María Luisa Park. It was inaugurated on 12 October 1929, the Dia de la Hispanidad, Columbus Day. It has written part of the 1905 poem Salutación del optimista, written by Nicaraguan poet Rubén Darío 1867–1916. History and construction. The Monumento a la Raza was conceived by the organizers of the Ibero-American Exposition of 1929. Luis Rodriguez Cosso, the main organizer, thought of a 100 m high concrete column to be placed in the district of Triana, Seville. The final project was designed by Santiago Martinez, and it was inaugurated on 12 NBSB, October 1929, the Dia de la Hispanidad, Columbus Day. It is located in Isabella Católica Avenue, in María Luisa Park, near the North Tower of the Seville's Plaza de España. The monument was restored by the Urban Planning Management Agency of Seville in mid-Minus 2018. Description. The monument is made of marble. Poem. The monument has inscripted in bronze the poem Salutación del optimista 1905 by Nicaraguan poet Rubén Darío 1867–1916, a salutation to Hispanic Americans.